In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can sign up for Phantom. But before that, if you guys don't know what Phantom is, basically Phantom is a crypto wallet which is on your, extension of Chrome. So before signing up into Phantom, you need to, add Phantom into the extension. How you guys can do that is you can go to your Chrome web store and search for Phantom and, add it over here. I've already added over here. So after you do that, the next step is on how you guys can sign up it. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. And Phantom is a wallet based on Solana network. So basically this wallet functions on the Solana network. All right. So just keep that in mind. So let's get right into the video. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, let me tell you guys, it's me, Rich Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And let's move on, shall we? So the first step is after, adding Phantom to your extension, you just want to click on this little puzzle looking icon over here. After you click on it, you want to click on Versus Phantom. Once you click on Phantom is going to take you to this page. Once you're over here, if you already have an account, you want to click on Use Secret Recovery Phrase. But if you don't have an account, you want to click on Create a Wallet. Since I don't have an account, I'm going to click on Create a New Wallet. After that, it's going to give you all this word over here. Now what you need to do is you want to copy these words. Now remember, these words are necessary because if you lose your account somehow, let's say like your Phantom is like not working on this laptop, so you want to log in into another laptop, you need these 12 word recovery phrase in order to do that. All right, because if you don't have this, then basically you can't recover your Phantom account once it's lost, which means all the crypto stored in the Phantom wallet will be lost along with it. So save this in a secret place, so like when you need it, you can look into it and log in into your account. All right, so save it. I would suggest you to save it in a secure place. All right, so I'm going to do that real quick. And after I do that, you just click on OK. I saved it somewhere. Once you do that, you need to enter the password for your account. So I'm going to enter a password for my Phantom account real quick. After you enter the password for your account, click on I agree the terms and service and click on save. And on the next step, basically your account is done. You just click on finish and boom, you're good to go. Now you can just click on this and click on Phantom and your wallet should be open at the side just like this. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can open or like sign up for Phantom. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.